video.
Life without dreams is no life at all. So I chase my dreams no matter how big or small. Whether I succeed or fall, I always stand tall, knowing that I'll catch that dream another day. There's no way for me to explain to you how dream chasing feels. But imagine if everything you thought in your mind could be real. You were Neo and you always took the red pill. Oh, what a deal. Oh, what a deal. You create a win-win with what you say. So I say, chase your dreams with no delay. Dream chasing is not for play. What I see, if you're curious, watch what I do. And then think in your mind, if he can do it, I can too. Never stop.